In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shortcuts to Google Drive folders. This is an incredibly useful tool to help you organize and access your important files more efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with a team, working on personal projects, or just keeping things in order, shortcuts can streamline your workflow. So without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, to create a shortcut in Google Drive, you'll need to navigate to the folder you want a shortcut for. Open a web browser and sign into your Google account. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar or selecting Drive from your Google Apps menu. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the folder for which you want to create a shortcut. You might need to browse through your folder structure, depending on how organized your files are. Now, right-click on the folder. A context menu will appear, and in this menu, you're going to look for the option that says Add Shortcut to Drive. Select this option. After selecting Add Shortcut to Drive, a window will pop up asking you to choose where you want this shortcut to be located within your drive. The great thing here is that you can choose to place this shortcut in your main drive directory or within another folder for even more specific organization. Once you've decided on the location for your shortcut, simply click the Add Shortcut button, and voila! You've created a shortcut to a Google Drive folder. Some of you might be wondering why this feature is so handy. Well, shortcuts allow you to access files and folders quickly without needing to navigate through multiple directories each time. This is particularly beneficial for folders you use frequently. It also helps reduce clutter in your main drive by allowing you to keep original files and folders in a specific location while still making them readily accessible from other areas of your drive. A helpful tip is to rename your shortcut if the folder name isn't immediately clear. This can be done by right-clicking on the shortcut you've created and selecting Rename. Give it a name that makes sense to you, which can be especially valuable if others you are collaborating with may also need easy access to the files. And there you have it. You've learned how to easily create shortcuts to Google Drive folders, maximizing your productivity and organization. This small yet powerful tool is sure to save you time and make your digital workspace more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tips for leveraging Google Drive features to their fullest potential. Happy organizing!